Hallo zusammen. Mein Name ist Markus Baumgartner.
Hello everyone, my name is Markus Baumgartner. I'm a technical trainer at HEIDENHAIN, and today I'd like to introduce the new process monitoring function. The TNC7 offers two new functions, component monitoring and process monitoring, in order to ensure machine availability and process reliability.
Zu gewährleisten.
A high degree of process reliability is an important factor in the productivity of a production department. Now I'll show you an example on a machine of how you can achieve this very easily with process monitoring.
Gleich am Beispiel an der Maschine.
Process reliability is the decisive factor when it comes to automated production. If a tool breaks during operation and this is not detected, then this usually leads to more damage and you produce scrap, unless, of course, you've activated process monitoring. As you just saw here in the machine, the control stops safely if a tool breaks. Subsequent operations do not move to the damaged location. And in the case of automated production, the next assignment can be worked on. How does process monitoring work exactly? Let's take a look at that with the next workpiece. Here you see the machining process taking place exactly as intended. In this case, the TNC7 logo is being face milled. The TNC7 now stores this process as a reference for the monitoring task.
Für die Überwachung gespeichert.
Now we come to the monitored process, and as you can see, the preparatory machining of the workpiece is missing. So if there are differences in the monitored process, the control detects them immediately. The TNC7 can display the process deviations graphically, and so shows the user exactly where these deviations occurred on the workpiece.
Prozessabweichungen aufgetreten sind.
You don't need to retrofit any additional sensor technology for the process monitoring function.
Die TNC7
Process monitoring for the TNC7 is set up quickly and easily, features block-for-block synchronization, is fully integrated in your control, and can display deviations on the workpiece. And you save the time otherwise needed to check for tool breakage. If you have any questions, please let us advise you.